Hi guys, it's me, Fox. So today I'm coming with a challenge because I'm gonna try this Takis, and they are level extreme, so very hot. In the meantime, I'm gonna do my makeup and I will try myself. I will challenge myself to see how much I can resist doing makeup without drinking any water. So yeah, I have two beautiful dogs. Hi! He's Olaf. Let's open it, and a little bit of pastel. They are looking very weird. What can I say? So this is a little Taki. And now okay, so a lot of additives and colorants. My mouth is exploding right now. I need water for real, but I will not drink it. That's my baby dog. He's crying for me. Okay, so let's start. So today I was in Douglas, but you can find this in Sephora too. I buy the new palette of Morphe from Morphe. 35. Ooh, let's open it. So it's burning so bad, guys. So this is the palette. Let's open it. Oh. It's looking amazing. Can't wait to test it. And I was searching for the Morphe setting powder.
And unfortunately, they didn't have it, so I buy the normal Douglas one that it's the same consistency and the same powder actually, and more cheaper.
This is the powder. Very cute. New foundation because I don't have any more. Of course, I'm a big fan of MAC. My dogs are fighting right now, I'm sorry. But for me, those are the best. Yeah, without any other introduction, we're gonna start to use the foundation. It's looking a little bit yellow, but it's not. Trust me, it's because of the light. Another one. Cheers. Well, concealer from Tarte, not put too much. So after we put the concealer, we tap, not brushing like this, you know. And I don't like to let it too much to get dry. The concealer, I like it to tap it when it's fresh. So you can use your own technique. It's not a problem, but this is how I make it.
Beautiful pat.
There is a fluffy brush. Cheers for one more. I think we will use this beautiful brown black. And for the inner corner, we will use this beautiful shimmer. Yeah. Oh wow. I didn't expect this. And of course we tap. We'll go with the brown. A very light brown.
And now we go to blend and blend.
Take your time and blend correctly. Do not rush. The blending is very important.
This is how it's gonna look so far.
Now I'm overthinking my decision in life about this challenge. I don't know why I did this. It could be a normal tutorial, but no, we complicate ourselves. I mean, it's funny for you, the viewer, and I hope you enjoy it and you like it, and smash that like button and smash that subscribe button because we have to grow. In the meantime, I wanted to say that we have a second channel. Name it Grind for Mama Gaming. I will let it here. Smash the sub button. Enjoy what we are doing. It's a gaming channel. Daily posts, daily streams. We interact with people. We like to play with them. Do makeup and gaming. Corner with a little bit of glitter, and we are gonna go on the downside on the waterline with black, and we will blend it very nice with a little bit of brown. We go with sandstone. Is looking low. We will start with the brows. Using the go to be, we just go nicely and brush them. Not too much product for you. Cheers. Product from Charlotte Tilbury. And you need just a little bit, trust me. We use the setting powder, as I said from the start. You're gonna tap, 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 tap. It's something very weird about this powder. It's a powder. Yeah, you see, it's powder. And when I put it in my face, it's feeling like it's water. Huh? How is it function? It's feeling like water, like my brush is wet, or I don't know. It's smelling good, but you see this? I'm amazed.
Now just tap, 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 tap. And it's blending so nice. You see, you put just a little bit and it's exactly the amount.
Add a color for a second. Add just a bit of color. You want to eat more and more. When you feel the spice of it, it's hitting you. You regret it. I'm crying right now. My eyes are going red. We're gonna let this dry. The final one. Cheers. And yeah, that was me today. I hope you enjoyed. See you next time. And in the meantime, don't forget to smash the like and subscribe button. It's helping me to grow. If you're a fan of gaming, or your boyfriend is a fan of gaming, then send him back on the channel. Grind for Mama Gaming. And enjoy. That was me. See you next time.